Okay, hello everyone. Um, we present project PBL, PBL 202.5 LC002. We title Team Inspection Using LC Systems. Okay, next. Okay, this like member. Number one, John Susnata Technician with name 4123 as leader, as programmer and design. Two, Rizky Gali with name 42131142 as member, programmer. Three, Sultan Ara Firohan 4212311138 as member as electrical. And four, Rangga 4212311143 as member as electrical. And five, Anasir Saprian 4212311139 as member as document control. Okay, next is work breakdown structure of team. Number one, Daniel Topo Pamungkas as project manager. Next two, Iwan Segian as project leader and Rizky Gali as programmer. Sultan Arafi as electrical. Rangga as electrical and Anasir Saprian as document control. Okay. And about inspection station, automated inspection are carried out to determine if a material or item meets quality standard. The system uses a conveyor, sensor, and several pneumatic cylinders to perform sorting. Okay, next for Sultan present.
Thank you, Yuan, for the time. In this slide, I will explain about system design. At first, verification. The system start with face verification developed using Visual Studio. Face recognition technology is used to verify the user identity. Only authorized users are allowed to proceed to the next stage of system. And next stepnya is interface MIT app inverter. After successful face verification, the user interact with a mobile application created using MIT app tester. This application provides start and stop button to control the system through a smartphone interface. And next is controller, Arduino and main controller. The Arduino acts as the main controller. It receives commands from the mobile application and process control signal. The Arduino then communicates these commands to the PLC. And the last step is PLC Schneider machine control. The PLC is used as the main machine controller. It executes the control logic and handles industrial operation. Wago I/O modules are used for input and output control, connecting sensor and actuator to the PLC. Next slide. In this slide, I will explain about flow chart system. First, the system begins when the operator presses the start button. Once the button is pressed, the conveyor starts running and carries the pallet towards the processing area. Second, when the pallet reaches its position, a sensor detects its presence. After it detects, stopper one rise to stop the pallet, allowing the next step to take place safely. And the third, an optical sensor checks and confirms that there is material on the pallet. Fourth step, the material pickup sequence begins. The rotary cylinder move forward and the vacuum system active to grip the material. Once the material is secure, the cylinder retracts, pulling the material back, and the lifter cylinder raise it to the inspection position. Fifth, the inspection cylinder moves down to perform the first measurement. After the measurement is complete, the system evaluates whether the material pass or fail. If it passes, the rotary cylinder transfer the material to the next station. If it fails, the material is redirected to the reject route. And six, material is that pass, stop airdrops, the conveyor runs again, and the material is moved to the inspection table. At this table, a second inspection is performed for validation. And seventh step is during the second inspection, if the material is good, the rotary cylinder picks it up again and send it to the final processing area. The conveyor continue moving the material forward and the process is complete for that item. If that material is not good, the NG push cylinder will remove the defective item. Then the second material cylinder place replacement good item so that the production flow continues normally. And next step, overall system is pick material from the pallet, perform the inspection stage, sort good and defecting item. Next slide. In this slide, I will explain about software and application are we use and component. At first, we use Microsoft Visual Studio programming using Visual Studio 2002. It used as the main programming environment. This is utilized to develop the face verification, application, and team system logic. Visual Studio provides tools for coding, debugging, and integrating face recognition technology to ensure secure user authentication. And two, Wago or IO system. Well, the Wago system is used as an instrumental input and output solution. It includes a field coupler that operates at 24-volt DC and communicates with via Ethernet using the TCP and IP protocol. The system acts as an interface between the PLC and field device such as sensor and actuators, ensuring reliable and real-time data communication. Next slide. In this slide is programming system. Schneider PLC is used as the main industrial control system. It executes the machine control logic, manage automation sequence, and ensure reliable operation is an industrial environment. The PLC communicates with external device through Ethernet and works together with the Wago and IO system to handle input and output from sensor and actuator. And Arduino board function as an intermediate controller between the mobile application and the PLC. It receives control command from the interface application and convert them into signal that can be processed by the PLC. Arduino is also used for rapid prototyping and communication handling due to its simplicity and flexibility. Okay, next slide will be read by Gale.
Okay, thank you for the time. I will explain the next software or application use and component based on our team use. This one, a programming system. We use Ethernet string cable to communicate between PLC and Wago IO. The number 5 is button and LED for the local controller. Next, this one we have panel control below the machine. This one I have MCB, timer, relay, terminal, and then Wago IO. Next. For the detailed design or method, number one, checklist I/O for inspection machine. Number two, studying Modbus TCP communication or integrating about remote I/O to PC. Number three, create design and program QI for the alarm and monitoring system. Number four, showing alarm in display QI or PC in the inspection machine movement is abnormal. Okay, I will explain schedule and progress. We start from studi literature uh, with all team. Then after that, a discussion project plan with Manpro. Then with all team. Number three, quit dance with Manpro. Number four, mechanical and electrical. This one, Kanasu, Sultan, and Rangga for in charge. Number five is programming. Programming have a stake. Number one is prepare all the software that will be used. Creating database, link in SCADA software, creating training module, MS access stub. This one, Yohan and Gali to in charge. Number six is for systems testing, prepare PLC communication protocol and PLC ladder, preparing data address in PLC, three-way valve and OPC. This one for our team to in charge. Number seven is for handle document, PPT presentation, video demo machine, poster, final report, and benchmark final. This one all team to in charge. Next. In this project, we have an obstacle. The first, finding how to communication Modbus TCP from I/O to QI. The second one is checking address about all of machine. Next, make a program using Visual Studio, integrating using remote I/O Waku, finding movement or interaction about machine drilling. And then make a program using PLC Schneider. Next. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.